everybody is to leave.
Shit, what's your license? Where's your ride at?
Wait for it.
Hey! Hey! Hey, look.
Let's go!
Y'all see that thing right there, man? Thing looking clean. Yeah, got cold. Hey, what up, dog?
Excuse the cop.
What did he say?
We gonna put 93 in there. Look. Y'all see, man, we vlogging today. We gonna go to the good though. We good though. Show y'all. Yeah. Y'all see the twin thing back there? Look. Y'all want to hit a start? Here we go. Woo! Boy, hey.
That bitch sound like a goblin.
Ooh, what's that right there? I'm gonna say that boy hard right there. Whee! Yeah. I don't know. Look like it. Y'all see the name, man? Y'all see the name? Follow your boy. Straight. Y'all see the name? Go ahead. Hit him with that code. Hit him with that code.
Nice.
You recording?
Yeah.
Nigga, don't
Yeah, we got my boy Cliff, you feel me? We got 12 over there. Look.
Out with the famous.
Look at that thing.
Got
You
the
feel me,
famous
man?
out
RT Leo. You already know what it is. Look, I'm gonna lead a hit me on the side, and then it's gonna be a sleeper. You feel me? We got the Corvette. Y'all know we outside, man. Y'all see where we at, man. We got this. Let me get a red. Let me get a red. Woo!
Nice.
Shout out to the.
He could not do it.
Y'all see that? Hey, that thing nasty right there with the lights. Yeah. Yeah. Got the SRT wheel. Y'all see it, man. Got the SRT wheels. Ooh, that boy hard right there. Yeah. Ooh, that thing nasty. Oh my gosh. That shit nasty.
What did he say?
Damn. Hey, look.
Let's go.
This ain't nasty, yeah. Y'all see, man. Y'all see. What it do? We outside, man. Look, we got the yeah. Y'all see, man, we outside with it. Yeah, we outside. Got the Mopar, we got the Supra. I see the Supra. Yeah. Over up here, man. I see, man. We got Twig. What it do? Y'all see Mopar gang. Yeah. Say what up. You feel me? That thing nasty. Let me get it. Let me get one more. Come on.
Had that piece come off.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, you're right. Y'all hear it, man. Y'all hear it. He don't have that little piece. Am I able to pet the birds?
You can pet them.
I can pet them?
We have like a big ass group and they were like, can I touch it? I was like, they're Quaker parrots.
Quaker parrots, nice.
Not a parrot.
I can touch it?
Hey, Leo, you met your
Man.
cousin.
Hey. Oh man, it's amazing.
Yeah, she talks, but
Yeah.
it's when she has like loud stuff around her, she'll
Yeah.
talk.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
she'll be like, "Mentira."
I say goddamn go to
Like she's
sleep.
trying to talk right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Mentira.
To the cage.
Oh man.
What happened? Why are you looking at her like that? And she was looking
Nice.
at you like,
I love animals, man. It's my thing. Yeah, man. Y'all see the lifted. Y'all see the lifted.
Boys here, so think about it.
Hey, look, we got the Concord boys. Hey, you know Concord be hot, so we ain't gonna be here too long. But yeah. Hey, key back 100 feet. Everything nice, man. Y'all see the carbon fiber? Y'all see the name on there? That thing cold right there. That thing nice. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see we outside, man. Y'all see that purple, man? That purple right there nasty.
If you had a warrant, it would have alerted. Oh, really? I know about that.
Shout out, yeah. Shout out to Alexander.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on? How you doing? Yeah, hanging in there, man. How you?
Where's your ride at?
Wait for it.
Mine not here.
Wait a minute, where's it at?
Mine not here. Mine gone. Yeah. Somebody, I rode with somebody.
You up here admiring everybody else?
Yeah.
I am the one, the way you're trying
I wanted to have it. You know what I'm saying? I want to have one of these things, but I can't.
When
So
you move smart, you
I gotta make
ride
some
with
more
somebody.
money. I gotta make a little bit more
Ride with
money.
somebody, that's how you move smart.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, thank y'all. Y'all be careful. Okay?
For sure. For sure. Appreciate you.
I'm gonna tell everybody keep the shit down.
Appreciate you, brother.
Hey, if y'all see some posts like this, take it out.
God, please, no! No!
Nothing right here, Charlotte.
Yeah. Move it away from
I don't
Charlotte.
know why people coming up here fooling with y'all. Y'all really go hit somebody out here though. Concord police, they don't
Yeah, Concord don't play. Sign ordinance. Hey, man. Hey, look, I'm gonna have to take you to the ones where they having one after this one, which I think that's where they spinning out at. But hey, that's the one. I ain't gonna be able to do that one. Y'all hear them things, man? Oh my God. We in the wrong spot, man. Y'all see, man. Where your car at, miss? Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Y'all see that thing? Put that in my head. Mine gonna be red. Yeah. You need to go underneath. Oh,
What's your name, bro? What's your name? Kobe, bro. Kobe.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, my bad, bro. Wild as hell. Yeah. My God. What you think about that?
That was nasty. Nigga, I wouldn't even try that.
Hey, I hear it.
I gotta go get it. That's all they gonna get. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Where that?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Freaky ass nigga.
Fuck I look like.
That's down 1,000 years right now.
He said freaky.
You got that jack
See, man. Got my boy Cliff out here. I don't know if this is your first one.
Hell yeah.
It's his first one, man. Y'all hear that thing? Oh,
Oh my God! Wow!
2 hours later.